Okay, quick stripe tutorial because I see so many fucked up stripes on TikToks on these cars, so I gotta show you. Okay, 3/4 inch tape on the edge of the hood, and then you're gonna go 1.5 inches over, 1.5 inches over, and then 2.5 on both sides and on the back. My dad used to stripe these cars in the body shop when they're brand new, and this is also straight out of the Chevrolet book. So grab your 1/4 inch fine line tape and lay that shit down on the outside of the lines. Outside. Okay, the hardest part is getting this curve perfect. You're gonna go back and forth trying to match them up a lot. Yeah, you'll get it. Then lay that inside line in. The gap between those lines is just a tiny bit bigger than the 1/4 inch tape itself. Just kind of have to eyeball that. Don't lay a piece of tape in there to try to gap it. It'll just fuck you up. But then you got beautiful stripes, and the most satisfying part about painting a car is peeling off that tape after you paint it. Hope this helped. Stop putting fucked up stripes on cars.